I'm at the front gate. I got a man down in the portable meter bowl. Need help. Well, this is what happens. Everything was good. Okay, it was good, but then I looked back down and I saw him down in the hole. Down and out. So I don't know what's going on. Any other questions? Who's going to get first?
Like I said, this area, make sure you answer your stuff, make sure I'm going in this. Yeah. Stuff like that. You don't get it down if it was like, that area where you shut off, and then when you send somebody, when they're locked out, so if you set bottle down, they'll say, put it down. Yeah. Right, you look back to me, and now they know the bottle of water, and if you get the guy down in there, no, I was still ready to try to go back to the morning, and bring it back. You don't know. Maybe there was something along that way. Yeah. That's why bring that bottle out. I'm sure there's something you might have had a cardiac arrest. Because it's just like, I'm getting to the front, pipes out, you can walk around and just do one. So I get the screen guy. One guy had a rest, but I'm not sure that's what I do. Okay. That's what I want to try to get down, go back to the start. Yeah.
Danny, you gave out the radio in the command post? Huh? You gave out the radio in the command post? Yeah, make sure you have one over there. No, we don't need one. We can run it to the backup radio. They'll go back and start another one. So use it, but compare it to what you get. Like when you start metering, why am I getting no oxygen or I'm getting this one says it was 0-0 when I started. So did something happen? The other consideration is you can, I don't know if you can ventilate before we get here. You start ventilating, be careful what you're trying to ventilate. If there's fuel down there, we start bringing it down. Maybe it's above its LEL, it's not going to go anywhere. Or it's too mean, or too rich, whatever. We start bringing it through that window. Now we're causing more problems for ourselves. There's a video out there. Rich might be able to get it for it. It's called the USS Potts, and they do exactly that. They have spent days trying to ventilate it, and they ventilated it right through. It's so things like that. Oxygen, we talk about this. Meter for oxygen first. Because if you don't have oxygen there, the rest of the sensors in the meter aren't going to work properly. So if you have a high saturation of oxygen or a low, everything else is going to be skewed. And your cross sensitivity. If you put it in there and you get hydrogen cyanide and you're metering for something else, and all of a sudden hydrogen cyanide, you need to know cross sensitivities on your meters. If you have just a 4 meters, 4 gas, if you have the hydrogen cyanide kicks off, and you know there's no hydrogen cyanide in there. Think about other things. Think about sulfur dioxide. Think about other things that are cross sensitivity to that meter. So you don't get fixated on, oh, it's showing us hydrogen cyanide. We got hydrogen. You might not. It could be any one number of things. So the trucks, you know what are your chiefs are. Right there. This pocket's covered. Make sure that when you put the thing down, keep it away. No, it would. Yeah, but if you're on top of the hole and you're in the hole, it doesn't work that way. But just keep things like that in mind. If I were, this would be, I didn't have my truck here. I just did it for like the purpose here, but knock it away. Or, anything around, noise. If you think noise is going to be you can't do it here, but you might have to realistic, close all that out. Warm too. An extended rescue, like on a day like today. that guy was wet down there, worried about hypothermia. We don't have one. I don't know if anybody does. You know, a warmer type of fan that would actually blow warm air in. You might find it like an electric company or a telephone company might have one that they can give you to stop blowing warm air in and keep the patient better. Safe in that sense. You don't know how long it's going to take you to get them out.
Good luck. I'm going to figure out where to go, and then you guys got to go up somewhere too. I guess I got to do mine.
The hardest thing is like this whole, if you don't look at it,
I don't believe you because usually you don't right before it happens. You're getting the and then you're not going to contact that.
again, the big thing is this, if you look at what's reading and stuff, we're going to see how we want to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put a ladder down there and let's start working. But you can't. You got to just go through the right steps and say, hey, you know what, we're just going to secure the area, make sure nothing's going into that. And then that's like, we don't let them go. There's a reason it's down.
He said the gas can either be lighter or heavier than air. It can be sitting at the bottom, you know what I mean, or it's lighter. It's just emptying it out. So if you get that first right all the way at the bottom, you're not getting anything. So they said, we're going to go right now.
It's just too high for me. No, just squat down when you get down there, right? Yeah, well, you hope they're not working in here. You never know. They're doing maintenance. What we've done in our SOP is actually in our SOP is other communities like Confined case. I have listed in priority before. So when you get to mutual aid gates, there's not enough text. Forward or confined space. Province and confined space. Non-province and confined space. Trench rescue is different. I know that forward and non-province have much more trench equipment than province. I got them with different growth, same thing. They need more rescue more text to get these crates. That way the dispatcher has a thing in front of them. All right, well, they need me to call more text. I got to call it on the community. You can go right to that mutual aid section and dispatch section and go. That's in our technical rescue SOP. But we can get you copies of what we did, and you can use them as a mirror. They're real easy. They give chiefs duties, they give dispatch duties, and then they give on-scene workers airlines so you don't get tagged in the airline. Come on here. Come on here. They get more numbers.
Yeah, leave the victim last. No, he said they leave the victim last because of the fact that they don't want that victim to be trapped. I died out there. Something happens. Especially when you're out there. You don't want to leave that guy. You don't want to leave our guy out there trapped. Especially if it's a big one.
We're done.